Well, check this out. Viewer Brandon Deal sent us this video, another look at the tornado to touch down in downtown Allendale. And Chief, I know you have been monitoring this closely. What are we seeing now and what could we see tomorrow?
Well, the good news is that right now it's all done, but just take a look at these reports. Now, these are unofficial, unconfirmed reports so far, but in South Carolina and a little bit of Georgia, we had almost 50 wind damage reports and over 26 reports of tornadoes. Most of them were in the low country, but we fared just as worse that here in the Midlands, at least 10 tornado reports so far and 13 wind damage reports. Now, the amount of warnings we had, now this is specifically tornado warnings, we had 15 tornado warnings today. A lot of them covered multiple counties. Last year, total, we had only 17. And we're not even talking about the rain yet. That was just from the tornado warnings. Many areas in the Midlands got conservatively 3 to 4 inches of total rainfall in a span at most 5 hours. And many areas was raining about 1 inch to 2 inches an hour. Now, for what it's worth, it's a little windy outside. We have clear skies and temperatures all throughout the Midlands are in the mid-60s. It's a very warm night, but the weather setup, everything is now pushed off. Most of it is off the coast, but look, this looks exactly like yesterday. Nothing is going on to the west of us, but the weather dynamics are set up that with that slight risk for most of South Carolina, for here in the Midlands, we're looking at the potential of storms that do go severe with maybe 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. The tornado warning criteria is going to be far less, but it's not a zero. And then we're looking at maybe a little bit of heavy rainfall to flooding, and then a little bit of lightning with the storm. So not as much. And what we're expecting is as we go through, the overnight hours will stay cloudy again, and then we'll start seeing showers develop midday. And this is by 2 o'clock, and almost the same setup as yesterday. The showers and storms start developing in the low country, start pushing it into southern and western Midlands. These are going to be slow moving, but again, we could have isolated severe storms. These discrete cells could actually be severe enough to go severe or even tornadic. And this will continue as we go into the early evening. As we get into the mid-evening, it starts tapering off. We may have isolated showers as we go through the night, but otherwise, we're done. Our forecast for tonight, we'll have mostly cloudy skies with lows in the low 60s. Highs tomorrow will get into the upper 70s and low 80s with those storms. Now we'll have a little bit more rain on Thursday morning with a high 77, then we're done. Friday, Saturday, mostly sunny, highs in the low to mid 60s, but sunny again on Sunday, a high of 71. The Monday and Tuesday will stay mostly sunny with a high of 81 and 83.